going on here?
What happened? Eh? You didn't tell me you were coming.
I wanted to talk to you about something very important.
Okay, what is that?
Remember I told you I wasn't feeling fine?
Okay. Uh-huh.
So I went to the hospital and ran some tests and I'm pregnant.
You?
Babe, you don't have to. I already got rid of it.
Ha! You did what?
I'm sorry. I know you're not ready. And I don't even know if I'm ready to. And I don't want to set you back. I don't want to hold your dreams or try to tie you back.
Just hold it there. Eh? How can you just remove pregnancy? Eh? You remove my child without even telling me. How dare you? Is it that you don't rate me? You don't rate me at all? Or am I that useless? Oh, I'm useless. Absumokoko na Agavu. I don't get destination. Eh? God bless us with a child, and all you can do is for you to terminate it. Do you know how many people out there praying for a child? How can you be so cruel? Wait. Is it that I know what to be father of your child? I know what it.
You don't have to say much, babe.
Yeah?
I'm just joking. I just want to see your reaction. I still have the child.
Wait, shoot first. Which can prank with that one? Eh? We can prank with that one. Why you be praying with my child? You are wishing this child death. Oh, you already made it obvious that you don't want the child. You already wishing innocent child death. Eh? You have to remove it.
So I thought you were happy. You wanted the child. You just said so.
You have to remove it. You can't give birth to a child that you already caused that you want death. Go and remove it. Go and remove it, Joe. Go and remove it.